Kamusta? Ako si May. Ikaw?
Hello there! This video will provide you with the common words used in the Philippines to help you learn how to speak Tagalog or Filipino. Without further ado, let's get started!
Maniwala. Ma-ni-wa-la. Maniwala meaning to believe. Panalo. Pa-na-lo. Panalo meaning winner or win. Tadtaran. Tad-ta-ran. Tadtaran meaning chopping board. Lobat. Lo-bat. Lobat meaning low battery. Kapit. Ka-pit. Kapit to hold or to stick. Pinag-aaralan. 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 This is also a way of saying learning or studying. Hinog. Hinog. Hinog meaning ripe. Tulungan. Tulungan. Tulungan meaning helping each other. Pakasaya. Pakasaya. Pakasaya meaning to enjoy. Kumusta. 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 This is the formal way of saying how are you or hello or hi. Puno. Puno. Puno meaning full. Ayaw. Ayaw. Ayaw meaning dislike. Niyog. Niyog. Niyog meaning coconut. Intention. Intention. Intention meaning intent. Talampakan. Talampakan. Talampakan meaning foot or sole. It refers to the underside of the foot or the part that touches the ground when standing. Pindutan. Pindutan. Pindutan meaning keyboard. Pakiramdam. Pakiramdam. Pakiramdam meaning feeling. Mura. Mura. Mura meaning inexpensive or curse. Pamangkin. Pamangkin. Pamangkin meaning niece or nephew. Tuhod. Tuhod. Tuhod meaning knee. Pero. Pero. Pero meaning but. Totoo. Totoo. Totoo meaning true or real or authentic. Mabuti. Mabuti. Mabuti meaning good. Talaga. Talaga. Talaga meaning really. Ugnayan. Ugnayan. Ugnayan meaning connection or relation.
Thank you for learning with me. I hope to see you soon. Paalam!